Hey, what's up everybody? I got a 2007 Tundra with a TPMS light that keeps flashing and it doesn't communicate with sensors. Basically, this is about how to replace the module and the antenna. I had these codes stored. I highlighted transmitter ID 3 because I thought that was the problem there, and I replaced that sensor. Long story short, I got the sensor replaced and went to reprogram, but I got all these codes went away except a new code that I got. So the light's still flashing, and now I just get this code nonstop. Long story short, I replaced the module, but it actually ended up being the antenna, which was the problem. This is the antenna. You can get them used or new. They run about like $300 or more. You can maybe get them cheaper. It says, receiver assembly. Anyways, they're located under the headliner right by the back window right here. On this particular one, service data calls to remove the whole headliner, but you could just sneak in the back here, just pull this headliner down just a little bit, and you could get in there. Basically, this is 10mm bolt here, and then the connector, and this will come right out. So I made the video thinking it was the module, so I'm gonna let the module video play. But yeah, this was a problem actually. Once you put this in, this particular one doesn't need any programming. It's just like a plug and play. Start up the car, give your car like a few minutes, drive it around, and it should register, and you should be all right. Same with the module too. No actual processing is needed. The customer wanted me to replace the TPMS module first, so I did. It wasn't the problem, but I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play now of when I replaced the module, and I thought that it was the original problem. But as you can see, the antenna fixed the problem. My light's out.
Hey, what's up, guys?
So here you
I'm on
go.
an 07 Tundra. This is going to be about a TPS module. Basically, what I got going on is when I turn my key on, my TPMS light flashes like that. So, when I first got it, it had these codes. And as you can see, these cannot receive a data from transmitter ID 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it also has main written next to it. Sometimes I see these codes when I replace sensors, so I didn't really care for them. I replaced this sensor because it says transmitter ID 3, it's current, and 9 times out of 10, it's just a bad sensor, and then you replace sensor 3, and you reprogram it, and all this goes away. But now, I have just this code. I've tried all kinds of tricks to try to make it communicate with these sensors. So basically, there's a TSB about replacing the module. What I have here is I have a new TPMS module, $500 new. It's just like $300 from a junkyard or a dismantler, not a junkyard, dismantler. And apparently, this is the same. I'm in an 07 Tundra, and this came out of a 2015 Sequoia. According to my parts guy, I said these are all kind of similar. Not saying that you would have a similar one on your Toyota or whatnot, or whatever you're repairing, but something to have in your head, in the back. Anyways, so over there underneath the passenger side is where this module is. I'm going to go ahead and get it out. Right up under here. This one right here. Gotcha. 2 10mm bolts. Here's a side by side. They look pretty much the same. Same numbers on them. One up there. Alright, so now we got the tech stream here. We're going to try to program this TPMS module. I believe you do have to have some kind of software to program this. We will find out for sure. I don't think it's just you can plug it in, because obviously you got to put the sensors IDs in it. On Toyotas, it doesn't learn the sensor IDs by itself. They have to be programmed in. So now I'm in the tire pressure monitor module. We'll go to utility. Let's see what we got up here. ID registration. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm just going to try to program the sensors and just pretend like I didn't just install a new TPS module, and we'll see what happens. Okay, it says ID registration is complete, so I'm going to go check the data list and see if they are on the data list.
Okay, guys, so yeah, the sensors did register fine, and the only problem I had was the antenna was bad. But when you do a new module, just put it in and program the new sensors with the tech stream, and you should be okay. But yeah, that's my video. Hopefully, it helped you out. The antenna is definitely something to check before you do a module. I guess they say if your wireless key fob isn't working right, then it could be an indication that it's bad. My key fob was actually fine, so that it wasn't true for me. But anyways, hope this video gives some insight to you guys, help you with whatever your problem having. Like I said, most of the time a TPMS light flashing is just a dead sensor or multiple dead sensors. You replace them, program them, and it's all good. But yeah, I guess these older ones, the other components are starting to fail. Anyways, please sub, and thanks for watching.